Hi, thanks for using my court coach. I'm Sarah, and I'll be your instructor today as we talk about the Declaration of Disclosure form, also known as the form FL-140. As with all our court forms, you want to fill in your identifying case caption information. This form is required as part of your set of financial disclosure forms that are required in every divorce and legal separation before the court can accept either an agreement from you or set your case for a trial. The court needs to be assured that there has been full transparency between the parties regarding the disclosure of assets and debts. So in order to fill out this form, we first list or identify what your role to the case is, that you're either the petitioner or the respondent, so mark the according box, and this is either going to be your preliminary set of declaration of disclosures or your final one. The court does require the preliminary set be exchanged. There is a form to waive the final ones if the both of you decide to do that. This is not a form that gets filed with the court, it gets served on each other. And it requires a number of attachments to it, and it also requires a number of representations to be made about the veracity of the disclosure. So first, starting off number one, you are going to mark the box that identifies that you have attached to this either a completed schedule of assets and debts form, that's the FL-142, or a completed property declaration form, that's the FL-160. The property declaration form has one that you can fill out to disclose what you believe the community property of the marriage is, and one to disclose what your separate property is. So depending on what you are providing, you would mark community property, separate property, or maybe you mark both boxes. You are also required to attach to this a completed income and expense declaration. That's a form FL-150. And also your last 2 years of tax returns. So that's box number 3. Below that are a series of representations that you need to provide. So it asks that you also provide a statement of material facts and information regarding valuation of all assets that are community property or in which the community has an interest in, a statement of all material facts and information regarding obligations for which the community is liable for, and then an accurate and complete written disclosure of any investment opportunity, business opportunity, or other income producing opportunity presented since the date of separation that results from any investment, significant business, or other income producing opportunity from the date of marriage to the date of separation. It may very well be that all these representations are already contained in your schedule of assets and debts or property declaration and your income and expense declaration, and there may not be much else to disclose. It is fine to put a statement to this or attach a statement to this form that says, I have disclosed all material facts and information regarding valuation of assets. I have disclosed all statement or all material facts and information regarding obligation. There are no investment opportunities, business opportunities, etc. And that will suffice as your required written statement addressing those issues. So then you could mark boxes 4, 5, and 6 as well. When you are done with the attachment to this form, you will print your name here, sign and date it, and this form is now ready to be served as part of your declaration of disclosure requirement. I hope you found this helpful. Good luck.